Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is the secret craft room. Today I made something truly magical. Harry Potter inspired flying keys that you can hang in your window as sparkly sun catchers. When the light hits them, they look like they just flew straight out of Hogwarts. I am so happy with how they turned out and I cannot wait to show you how I made them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I decided to use these ready-made keys that I found online. I printed out my wing templates in a few different sizes so I could match them to the keys. There is a link to the template in the description box below. To make the wings, I am going to use this iridescent sticker sheet and 1mm aluminum wire. First I traced the wings with the wire to create the wing shape. Then I attached it to a piece of the sticker sheet. Next I used UV resin to fill up all the space inside the wing. Then I cured it in my UV lamp. Next I cut off any excess sticker sheet. Then I mixed some white glitter with resin and added it to the wings. I did not like how this turned out though, so I didn't do this to the wings for the other keys. My largest key is made out of plastic, so to attach the wings I drilled a hole at each side of the key and then I used super glue to glue the wings in place. I also reinforced it with a bit of resin. For the other wings I decided to add some gold glitter to the edges of the wings. These keys are made of metal, so I couldn't make holes in them, so instead I used resin to attach the wings to them. I tried super glue, but that didn't work. I first used a little bit of resin just to make the wings stick, and then I added a bit more resin to both sides of the wings and key to reinforce it. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up, it really helps me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.